Sir.
Yes.
Sir, first time I will see, sir, I think you are Kabir, sir. Now I find it that you are Ashik, sir.
First time you saw me, what you found what? First time?
Sir, I thought you are Kabir, sir.
कबीर सर? कबीर सर कौन है ये?
Yes, sir.
कबीर सर कौन है ये?
अरे sir, I told you that.
अच्छा, thought.
अरे no, sir, I told you.
Sir, Kabir Singh.
अच्छा, कबीर सिंह. Oh.
No, Kabir sir. No, sir, Kabir sir. Kabir sir.
अच्छा. अच्छा. Okay, let's start with only 5 students are there. I don't think that many students will be joining. Okay, yesterday we did till which question?
Sir, yesterday, sir, wait 2 minutes. Sir, I'm seeing. Sir, because I'm very behind. Math class. Sir, that time we have done till 51. Sir, we have completed.
We have done question 5 of exercise 14.1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is question 5. Those who have not understood.
Yes, sir. We have completed. Sir, we have completed.
Acha, beta. Question 5. Those who have not understood, they can please note down this question in their copies.
Sir, but our class is very good.
If you bought a cycle for rupees 695, 695 में साइकिल खरीद ली, बताइए कौन से जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं ये? I think they are talking about year 1920. 1920 की बात कर रहे हैं, 100 साल पहले.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
And sir, did you know? Sir, my cycle is free.
Free? Wow.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will show you.
Sir, you know.
Because my father friend gave. Sir, see my cycle. Sir, see my cycle.
Your father what?
From his friend.
Show me your cycle.
Show, part please show.
Sir, seriously.
बोलो कि सर मेरी साइकिल फ्री है.
Green. Sir, it's a green color.
Very nice cycle. Very good.
Oh no.
Great.
Sir, now we will do till question number 6. Gaurav, now you see my cycle.
Sir, I can show you my cycle. Sir, see my cycle.
What is this, yaar?
Gaurav, is it a competition going on?
Wow. Sir, I have seen his cycle in the cycle shop.
Which
blue color cycle.
Gaurav, which cycle is this?
Sir, what?
Which cycle is this? Hero cycle or Hercules or Atlas? What?
Sir, it is of Longhorn. Sir, see. Sir, it is of Longhorn. See.
Longhorn, wait. Let me see. Where are you? Yes.
Sir, my cycle is of Avon.
Sir, I have
A1.
And sir, my cycle is of
Hercules.
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 Yes, sir, my cycle.
Very good.
Please see my brother's cycle.
I also have A1 cycle. Yesterday only I bought a cycle for myself.
Sir, see my brother's cycle.
Arey wow, your brother is riding a cycle. Very good. Yesterday only I bought a cycle for myself also.
Wow, sir, can you show us?
अरे नहीं यार.
Sir, we want to see your cycle.
अरे नहीं यार. What will you do when if you see my cycle?
No, sir, we will
Sir, I
see.
want to see.
अरे
Please tell the company name.
Sir, please show your
Please tell
bike.
them like it is the
see my cycle then.
Okay, so please show your A1 cycle.
See, I have shared my. This is my cycle.
Wow, what a wonderful cycle, sir. Yo. Wow.
Sir, this is of Avon,
It's
na?
of which company, sir?
Yeah. It is of
Which
A1.
company, sir?
Sir,
Yeah.
I also have a
Sir, I
Avon
think-
cycle. Sir, I am having a long one cycle. Sir, it is a BMX.
अच्छा.
Sir, it is BMX. You know my cycle is BMX.
अच्छा.
Oh, telling lie.
Explain.
No,
That is
you
a
can
very
ask
good
my
liar.
friends
Sir, I
also.
know.
Enough of talking on this topic. Okay. So it's good that first of all, it is very good that you all like cycling. It is a good thing. Cycling, playing is also very important for all of us. That is why I bought a
Sir,
cycle.
because, sir, and sir, did you know? And sir, did you know why we love cycle?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, because it doesn't make pollution at all.
Very good, very important point. Yes, there are a lot of benefits of cycling. First of all, there is no pollution.
After the class, I go to play cricket, and at 5 o'clock, I go for cycling
Very good.
with my friends.
Very good.
Sir, after my full classes, I just bath and just go for cricket playing. And sir, at the time of 4:30 p.m. I just go to my coaching. Then I come. Then I see TV. Then I eat food, and at the night I go for cycling with my friends till 11:30, 12 or 11:30.
And
And
at
sir,
what time do
did you know, sir?
At what time do you?
I just go on 11 and came in my house on 12 p.m.
So when do you study?
Sir,
When
he's
do you
very
do
liar.
self-study? That is also important, doing self-study. Listen to me, all of you. Listen. थोड़ी देर शांत रहो. Listen to me. What I am telling you all. My point is, सब लोग सुने ध्यान से. Keep your mics off. So my point is, first of all, it is very important to do some physical activity like cycling, playing outdoor games, or swimming, all these things, dancing, all these are physical activities. So it is very important to do all these things. And cycling has a lot of benefits other than remaining fit. First of all, if you're doing physical activities, you remain fit physically and mentally also. It gives you a lot of strength physically as well as mentally. So it develops your personality. And so if we talk about cycling particularly, first benefit of cycling is that you remain fit. Second thing is that you save the environment. There is no pollution when you do cycling and go from one place to another.
Sir, you have gear cycle.
No, beta, it is not geared. Listen to me first. Let me finish. Then you ask your question. And the third thing and very important thing is that you save money also when you go from one place to another using cycle. There is no petrol used, so you save money also. Save money, remain fit.
Excuse me.
Save pollution. Save environment. All these benefits are there of cycling. So this is also physical activities are also very important, and little bit of studies is also very important. Gaurav Jani just told me his schedule, and there was no time of self-study. Whatever he told me, according to that, he was not doing any self-study. So you should do self-study also for at least 2 hours. Not only coaching is enough. Coaching is okay, but You are a very small children. Even if you don't go to the coaching, it's okay. But if you're going it, then also you should give at least 2 hours for self study. Physical activities plus self study. Mobile or TV को छोड़ करके. After your classes are over, your online classes are over, leave the mobile. Don't touch it for the whole day at all. Okay, do some physical activities and do your self studies. Book से पढ़िए, बुक और कॉपी लेकर के अपनी पढ़ाई करिए, सेल्फ स्टडी करिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए मैथ्स की. इन मैथ्स प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इन अदर सब्जेक्ट्स do the practice of read the chapters, do the practice of question and answers. Exercises in other subjects also are there, so you can do practice of that also. Okay, this should be your schedule.
Sir, now can
हाँ जी
sir, now
बताइए.
can you speak?
हाँ जी.
Sir, sir, when the class over, sir, first I kept my all the copies, and sir, then I go to play cricket, and sir, then I watch only 10 minutes TV, then I go for cycle stunts, then sir, I again go to playing football in the football ground. And sir, after that I come. And sir, we go to football ground with our cycle. And sir, near that there is a cycle stunts. So sir, we do there. And sir, after that, sir, I do 3 hours. Sir, after that, I do 3 hours study. Sir, after that I do 3 hours studies. Then sir, I do 2 hours math and 1 hour also English. And sir, after that I eat the break. I eat the dinner and then I sleep.
Sir, I can tell you something.
Yes.
Sir, when this cycle came new before 5 months. So sir, when it comes, sir, I just ride it itna fast. Sir, you know, sir, there is a car. It also comes very fast. And sir, he has not touch the brake, sir, but I have touched the brake and my cycle had stopped first time. Sir, I had stopped first time.
So don't ride it too fast and be in your lane. Ride it in your lane.
And sir, did you know? And sir, did you know when I take the cycle at the first time, so my whole finger has been cutted. So because the scooty is coming, so sir, I think that it will hurt me. So sir, I do the speed brake, and sir, there is a hole. So there do, and sir, near the park there is a car standing. Sir, from there, my whole finger is cutted. Sir, see, it is again the. So see, it's brown.
Sir, my class over, I ate lunch and I go for 3 to 4. I play cricket. Then I come to home at 5. I go for cycling. Then I come and study.
Very good. Studying is also very important.
Anyone does not go to coaching. Sir, anyone does not go to coaching, but I go to coaching.
Gaurav Pehla Jani, coaching in class 5 is not very good thing. You should do self-study more as compared to going to the coaching is not required. First of all, it is not required for you. Sir,
I never go to coaching. Some doubts, so I asked from my mother.
Yes, take help from your parents. Take help from your teachers. Teachers are always there. So you take help from your teachers and parents. Okay. Try to not to waste. It is not wastage of time, but obviously if you don't go to the coaching, you get more time for self-study. So this is the
point. Sir.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, you know, sir, I am going to Jaipur at 12.
Achha. Okay,
Sir,
now
I'm going to
please
Jaipur.
be quiet. Let us start with the studies. Question 5. We have already done this question. All of you, please see this. I have done the solution here. If you bought a cycle, this is a question of cycle only. If you bought a cycle for rupees 695, अगर आप साइकिल खरीदते हैं 695 and you sold it for a profit of rupees 125, you made a profit of rupees 125, then what was the selling price? Okay, cost price is given, profit is given, you have to find the selling price of your cycle. So use the formula of profit.
Sir, how many rupees is the profit?
That is what we are doing. So profit is rupees 125. Okay. The profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Write the formula first. And now put the value. Profit is 125. Selling price not given. You have to find selling price.
Sir, he's selling 720.
And then put the value of cost price also. 695 is the cost price. And now take this 695 to LHS. It is in the RHS, right hand side. It is on the right hand side. Take it to the left hand side. Left hand side में ले गए, so it was negative and it becomes positive. When you take it to RHS, it becomes positive, plus sign. Okay. So 125 plus 695, the sum is 820. So your selling price is 820. This is the answer. Okay. Let's do the next question. Question number 6.
Sir, today is very less students.
Yes. Question 6. Ravi bought a motorbike. Wait, beta, let me do the question. Ravi bought a motorbike for rupees 17,500. He spent rupees 1,200 on its repair. After that, he sold it to a friend for rupees 18,700. Did he make a profit or loss? Find out how much. Okay. So it is a little different question than the previous ones. So first of all, the price at which the motorbike was bought is rupees 17,500. The price at which motorbike is bought. Price at which Ravi bought the motorbike. Ravi ये कौन है? Ravi. Ravi bought the motorbike. It is rupees 17,500. Okay, this is the price of motorbike. Okay, now he spent rupees 1,200 on its repair. So money spent on repair. Spent on repair of the motorbike. बाइक में कुछ खराबी थी, खरीदने के बाद पता चला. So he spent rupees 1,200 on the repairing of the motorbike. Okay. So now you have to first find out the total cost price. What is the cost price? अब उसको कितना रुपया खर्चा करना पड़ा यहाँ पे देखिए जरा. This money also he spent. This money he spent in purchasing the motorbike, and this is also his spending. दोनों जगह खर्चा करा है. So दोनों को ऐड करके कॉस्ट प्राइस मिलेगा. Are you getting my point? ये दोनों जगह पे खर्चा किया है ना, पैसे खर्च करें, रुपीस खर्च करें. So The cost price will be 17,500 plus 1,200. You have to add both the things. 17,500 plus 1,200. So this becomes 18,700 rupees. This is your cost price. अभी तो cost price निकला है. अब आप क्या करेंगे? Selling price is also given. What is the selling price given? Selling price is given. उसके बाद उसने मोटर बाइक को सही करवा के सेल कर दिया. At how much amount he sold it? He sold it for 18,700. He sold it for 18,700. Selling price is also 18,700. Cost price is also 18,700. So in this case, SP is equal to CP. SP and CP are equal. Profit हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है? बताइए. SP and CP are equal. So there is a profit or loss? Manji, answer? नहीं बोल रहे. Yes, students.
सर लॉस हो रहा है.
लॉस का हो रहा है बेटा. जितने रुपीस का उसको कॉस्ट प्राइस है उतना ही सेलिंग प्राइस है. बोथ आर इक्वल. देयरफॉर नो प्रॉफिट.
यस सर, नो लॉस.
एंड नो लॉस. नो प्रॉफिट एंड नो लॉस. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. ना प्रॉफिट हुआ ना लॉस हुआ. हाउ मच तो निकालने का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है यहाँ पर, बिकॉज देयर इज नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस.
Sir, you like scooty or bike?
Actually, I don't ride a scooty and bike that much. Most of the time, I drive the car only. So, but if I have to make a choice, I would go for a scooty because it is comfortable. Scooty is more comfortable.
Okay, sir. Sir, I didn't like any car, any scooty, and any bike, sir, because I like only cycle because I want to save the environment by the pollution.
अरे वाह, गुप्ता जी को तो अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए. नोबेल पुरस्कार. नोबेल.
सर आपने कभी-कभी
नोबेल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित करना चाहिए पार्थ गुप्ता को for being so concerned about the environment, saving the environment, spreading the awareness.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all of you open page number 120, page number 120, 120. Okay. Have you opened page number 120? All of you. Now there you are seeing. There you are seeing formative assessment, question 1 and question 2. There are two tables given. In question 1 and question 2, formative assessment. Okay. One page जो है आपका ये question 1, question 2. Can you complete the two tables right now? Write the answers in the book only. Complete the tables.
What?
Formative assessment. Page number 120 खोलिए. उसमें formative assessment में question 1, question 2 There are two tables given in question 1 and question 2. Complete the tables right now in the book. Start doing it. Start doing it. Have you all done all the questions?
Sir, I have done the sir, I have done the first part, but sir, I don't know how to do the second part. I know this that we can do like this: cost price minus like cost price plus profit is equal to selling
Yeah,
price.
the same type
190.
of. Listen.
Sir, I have also done A part. Sir,
Same
I have
type of
also done A
question we
part.
have already done in the exercise. So these are same.
Answer did you?
हाँ,
Sir, I have done A part only.
हाँ. First
Answer
question.
did you? Sir, I know how to.
First question
Answer
तो
did
बहुत
you know how
easy.
to.
सेकंड वाले क्वेश्चन में the first part cost price is given, profit is given. You have to find the selling price. Selling price कैसे निकालेंगे? Use the formula of profit. Profit equals to cost price plus selling price minus cost price. So you will see that the answer will be 640. Answer of A, because profit is given, selling price, your answer will be 640 in the first part.
Sir, now can you check my lost 10 rupees?
Keep your mics off.
And sir, I am telling you that sir, I know how to pick up scooty full.
How to?
Pick up scooty.
Pick up a scooty.
Sir of 6G Activa.
So you know how to ride a scooty.
Yes, sir.
In class, you are in class 5 and you know how to ride a scooty.
And I can pick up also.
That is very strange. It is very dangerous because you are so small.
Sir of 6G Activa.
It's very dangerous, beta.